Hello, it's George here. Today's a special video of Pawpaw that I grew from seed, It was germinated successfully, so happy. You remember I make some videos before I put the seeds to certification process. I waited a lot, 3 months I waited in the refrigerator to stay in the cold. Then I took in the springtime, took the seeds and planted them in the soil in the pots, and I waited another 2 months I guess, and finally 2 of them germinated. Did you know James from California? He sent me seeds. Thanks a lot, James. Now the pawpaw plant or small tree, it have 4 leaves and that is beautiful. And since germinated started to grow really fast, quite fast. It is a small pot, but I will make another video when I will repot in a more big pot. So the second seed that germinated is this one. As you can see, started, it's small yet, but so happy. Now let's see the beauties here close up as always. So look at it, already started to grow. The leaves looks lush, so happy, and it will grow in this time of year, but it comes autumn, and I will let in winter time somewhere inside, not in very cold temperature, not in very warm, anyway. And in springtime I will have to plant it in the soil. But until spring it will grow, I guess, a lot, and will be thick here. As you can see, so beautiful started. I didn't expect it to grow so fast. That's it. It was germinated long time, but since growing fast. Asimina triloba variety, you know how it calls. So germinated second seed, as you can see here, so looks like when germinating. It's beautiful, doesn't? And I wait for germinate another 4 pots if they will be, but I guess yes. So I will be more happy if they will germinate. Look on the small leaf here, such lush. That's beautiful. Also, I will check on the root system on the bottom of the pot, and if need repotting as well, I will make another video, so just stay tuned on my channel. And how interesting, the leaves looks like cherries or stuff like that. In the future I will plant in the soil, in the ground, on my yard somewhere. I will find a place, I don't know where, maybe here, somewhere around this place, and we'll see, and hope it'll produce some edible fruits in the future. We will see. So I hope you enjoyed this beauty germinated. I am very happy, so just wait to grow more. Thanks to James in California. Yeah, I will catch you next time. If you are new, subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Bye bye.